Welcome back. It's time now for the Financial Week. Tropical Battery has reached a major milestone in its international expansion efforts with the granting of official trademark approvals from the United States Patent and Trademark Office. This paves the way for the company to sell its branded products directly on Amazon's US platform, significantly broadening its reach. The trademarks, finalized on November 19, 2024, cover key product categories such as solar panels, batteries, automotive oils, and coolants. Although the company established its Amazon account over a year ago, operations were delayed to meet the platform's stringent requirements, including securing these critical trademark approvals. The company says selling directly on Amazon will enhance its visibility, accessibility, and customer credibility, creating new growth opportunities. The Jamaica Stock Exchange has launched its Green Bond Plus market. Speaking at the JSE's 20th Regional Investments and Capital Markets Conference, Dr. Marlene Street Forrest explained that the platform will be used to trade green bonds.
We are looking at how do you sustain the economy, how do you sustain your country, how do you ensure that you have capital to deal with issues of climate change, other things in renewable energy, etc. And the Jamaica Stock Exchange wants to say that we're not just about mobilizing capital for business per se, but we are looking at the entire breadth of why you mobilize capital and how responsible we should be in terms of putting in the ecosystem to allow for persons who want to raise capital, who want to also give that capital, the investor, the responsible investors, to come to market so that the product can meet with capital.
It comes on the heels of the launch of the Jamaica Green Social Sustainability Bond Guide in October last year,
which gives you all the information that is necessary to put yourself in a position to actually access green capital.
The Jamaican dollar lost against all major currencies in trading today. Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $157.85. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $110.94. $195.76 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will go for $165.93. The JSE index advanced by 2,489 points, while the junior market index declined by 43 points. Among the advances were 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Share, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar share, Productive Business Solutions 10.5% preference share, Fontana and Proven Group US dollar share. Losers included Margaritaville Turks US dollar share, Stanley Motor, KLE Group, Knutsford Express and Indies Pharma. And that's the Financial Week, but stay with us, news from overseas after the break.